Bounce back stronger. How to recover from failure. Everyone fails. The difference? Some stay down. Some people rise, stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. This is how you bounce back from failure. 1. Feel it, don't fight it. Failure hurts, and that's okay. Don't pretend it didn't happen. Allow yourself to feel disappointment, anger, even sadness. That's how healing begins. You may encounter many defeats, but you must not be defeated. Maya Angelou. 2. Own the failure. Don't blame, don't hide. Ask, what part of this was on me? Owning it gives you power. Blaming steals it. 3. Extract the lesson. Every failure has something to teach. What did you learn about yourself? About others? About the process? Write it down. This is how you don't repeat it. 4. Rebuild with clarity. Now you know what didn't work. So ask, what would I do differently next time? Make a plan, start small, move forward. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. 5. Build your comeback mindset. Start seeing failure as feedback, not a finish line. You didn't lose. You learned. You're not starting over. You're starting stronger. Conclusion: this is your bounce back moment. The fall is not the end, it's the beginning of your rise. Stand up, take the lesson, try again with fire in your heart. You've got this. If this video gave you the push to rise again, hit that like button, subscribe for more strength and growth every week, and share this with someone who needs hope today. Let's bounce back together.